Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about advantage and disadvantage of CNC. So first of all, talking about the advantage of CNC. Okay, CNC. Okay, so advantage of CNC, first comes it has high repeatability, and precision. In terms of precision, it is very good. Second, volume of production is high. With this we can increase our production. Production is high, and also complex contours or complex tools can easily be made. Complex contours can be easily machined. Okay, next, very good flexibility is good, whereas in NC machine flexibility is not that much good as compared to CNC. Okay, and also it is more safe and better quality product is manufactured. Better quality product is formed. Next comes its disadvantage. Now comes its disadvantage of CNC. So first is, as we also know that in CNC we need a programming language, so programming knowledge is very much important. Computer programming knowledge is must. Second, it is maintenance cost is high, and also machines is also costly. Maintenance cost is high, and also it is a costlier setup. So these are some advantage and disadvantage of CNC. I hope you got it. Thank you.